This brand new 4-in-1 hot tap features 4 functions. Now you have your regular hot and cold on the right hand side here, and also on the left hand side you have steaming hot water tap. Now this features the safety lock that you have on the 3-in-1 tap, so if you press the safety lock, pull the lever forward, it delivers your steaming hot water. Now the extra feature here is of course the filter cold water. So at the touch of a button on the front here, I just have to touch the button and here we go. We have the filter cold water, touch it again and the water stops. Now if you want to fill a large bottle, the water will continuously run for 30 seconds. Alternatively, you can actually stop the water in the middle of the flow at any time.